Hello everyone, welcome to our midterm client update presentations. Project Manager Kelvin Mwendwa, the client which was Troop and Craig Primo. Next slide. So we are the operations and our group is made up of Jacinta Rico, the team leader, stroke developer, Dennis Achuti, the assistant team leader in absentia, Shristi, and Taslima, the QA group in absentia too, with apologies. Alan Rono, who's here with me, the developer. Paul Omondi in absentia, with apologies. Next slide. Our problem statement. Furniture Palace operations have been manual, as there has been a challenge in tracking customer orders, computing items, selling price, computing commissions and monthly salaries for carpenters, and also generate payment receipts and invoices, among other tasks. The aim of Furniture Palace Limited is to attain financial independence. Next. So on to our proposed solution. We, as Coral Solutions, are required to develop a computerized system using Java with documentation for Furniture Palace Limited. So the system we're going to develop will be able to maintain a list and materials for making the furniture, maintain customers' orders, also compute the selling price per item, commitment fee, tool hire, and the profit per item. It will also compute the commission for a hired carpenter and gross pay per month for a permanent carpenter. Also generate the payment receipts and invoices, and finally compute and generate monthly summary.
Okay, here on system design and
Alan will take us through this.
on pseudocode, the customer will be able to log in. As you know, the password should be entered. If it's correct, the password, the customer will be valid, and if incorrect, the customer will be invalid. Else, if the order exists, you will be able to print order processed. Else, invalid order. Enter the price per item. Gold or silver customer. If gold customer, print credit allowed. Else or credit not allowed. Now here we have carpenter, whereby you will be able to log in and the password. If invalid user, print temporary carpenter. Else register. If permanent carpenter, print valid user. Input salary. If permanent carpenter, print commission. Else no commission, input products if sold. Then you will be able to print receipt or invoices. At the end, the pseudocode will be able to end in the system. Here is whereby the flow chart will show how the system will be flowing, whereby the customer will be able to log in, make a request, recipient inquires after the ID. Then now the system will be able to save the database of the client, and then now we'll be able to make a request, whereby if the order is unavailable, it will end. If it's available, it will be able to know whether it's available. If it's not available, it rejects. Then if yes, it's check on carpenter. If there's no carpenter, it will reject and click no order. Then now, after checking the carpenter will be able to say on this side that he will be able to do the work. Then it will compute selling price or commission. Then if there is a delivery fee, he or she is gold. If silver, there is a delivery fee. If gold, there is no delivery fee. Then we will be able to generate payment receipts, and the system will end the order. Then here we have test case one, whereby the module of the customer list the customer, the test title for this condition is a list of customer modules, whereby it's generated by our team, designed and executed on the same day, 14 February 2017. Then the user should be registered as a precondition. Here is whereby the system will be able to input and execute some details, whereby the requirement that the user needs, so to be able to enter the details as expected. Then on test case 2, I shall give Jacinta to explain on it.
So on to the test case 2, which is maintain a list of 2. So the test case ID is in time 2. The test priority 5, and the name of the module is list of 2. The test central processing list of 2. Design about team to current solution. Designed on the 14th of February 2017, and the condition is the user should be registered and running on present in this Furniture Address Limited website. That's better. So for the tested, the administrator, here the administrator is just follow the requirements to enter the tools, the tools required, also to check the mobility and confirm on final food. Yeah, so the post condition is after adding all the information must be saved in the database and it should be readable. And it should be readable every time the user wants.
So on this is test case 3, whereby the list of carpenters should be maintained. The test case ID is M103. Test priority is high. Module name is list of customer module. Test title is for carpenter list module attestation. Description is test the condition of list of customer module. Designed and executed by Team Coral Solution. Designed on 14 February 2017 and executed on the same day. The condition is the user should be registered. So here is the test steps and expected results as compared to the previous test case 2. Just the same thing, whereby the execution of the requirement being entered on the system should be able to execute the correct word and the correct spelling, the correct input, and this is the precondition that should be able to enter in between this test case 3, whereby it's maintaining the list of customers. Test case 4, a little bit for this interview explain.
So for the test 4 is the list of customer orders. The test specialty is instance of and the test priority is high. And for the description, the test case basically is for testing the condition of list of customer orders module. Designed and executed by Team Coral, and designed on 25th of February 2017, and the condition is the customer should be registered. So this slide shows the testers and the expected result. It just describes when the customer orders for a certain item, orders the process that's going to happen until the order has been delivered, and the first condition is after adding all the information, it will open the database, it will be retrieved anytime.
On test case 5, list of materials. There are test case ID is M105. Test priority is high. Module name is list of material module. Test title is for list of material module authentication. Then here the description is testing the condition of list of material module. Designed and executed by Team Coral Solution. Design date is 16th February 2017, executed on 17th February 2017. Precondition is the customer should be registered. Here, the status and the steps, expected results, and the status of the condition on this test case 5 list of materials should be able to be executed and entered appropriately according to the scheduled condition. And the post condition should be, after adding all the information, it must be saved in database and read it, and every function must work as the user wants. Next slide. Jacinta, take over.
So for us, we take what is related to the dish, and so far we come up with the generic container list of customers, maintainer list of tools, list of consultants, list of materials, and the list of customers orders. And we've also created a database which will be able to store all these details. So there's the link to our code, and we're going to take it straight to the code. Next, please.
Yeah, Jacinta, take over.
Okay, going to the main panel.
It's the main panel. Session.
Okay, so on the customer details page, it contains the details of the customers, including last name, first name, customer ID, phone number, national ID, email address, city, category. So here, as the administrator, you're able to update and delete or register ID. So here, if the administrator wants to register a new customer, they'll be able to enter the same details, date of birth, national ID, such details in order to register the customer.
This panel 3.
Yeah, I've already covered that for the customer details. Double click.
There you are.
Yeah, double click on that point. Okay, so this is for the tools. So the administrator will be able to enter the tool ID, tool name, supply ID, category ID, quantity by unit, the unit price of the different tools, and he or she is also able to update a tool or delete a tool depending on the requirements. Next slide. So this is the login page. This is the login page where you'll be able to enter your username and password, login or register. Register if you're not available, you're not in the system yet, you'll be able to register. For which when you go to the register, you'll be asked your details, you enter them so that you create an account. For the list of materials, we have the details there and the update and the add and the delete buttons. The customer's orders, I've already covered that. This is the customer payment page. In terms of customer ID or the ID payment state, amount received, and the total. Also, the administrator will be able to update, add or delete a certain record. This is for the hierarchy and complete charges. We're still working on this. We've also done the database. We've not connected it to this system, but we so basically this is our code. Yeah, we're still working on it. Yes, thank you.